What's up, YouTube? Alright, I got a heater not working. Alright, so we're at a heater call. The customer said that they turn on the heater, they hear a loud screeching noise, and pretty much the heater's not working. So let's hop in, let's see what we could do. We could get this thing, hopefully we can get this thing repaired the same day, but let's go ahead and tackle it. So light bulb, it's not working. Let me see. Yeah, light bulb's dead. It don't matter. I don't have an extra bulb. They don't either. So let's get up in here. So this heater is not working. So what we're gonna do is first we're gonna test heat mode. See exactly what's going on with this guy. I need to get a floodlight. So we'll go ahead. Where are the leads? The leads are right here. Go ahead and grab my jumpers real quick. Jumpers. So we're gonna jump red to white. Red. And the door switch isn't pushed in right now, so I don't have any active power to it. There's white. Alright, so we're gonna hook this up on the heating wire. Got the joint connected to the red, and then for some reason they hooked this heating wire up to this water switch, which is uncommon, but this is the heating wire. I confirmed it. So let's put power to this unit and let's see exactly why this heater's not turning on. Where's my door switch? So that's why the heater's not turning on. That's the squealing noise they said they were hearing, and we need to replace that inducer motor. So we're gonna get out of this attic, we're gonna go get an inducer motor, and then I'll catch you guys in a minute when we repair this guy. All right, so we got the inducer motor. New inducer motor right here. So let's get this guy replaced from that guy. Let's get this damn inducer motor taken out. put my extendo bit on real quick. Got one more there. And I gotta get 2 screws. Come on. And then with our new one, so I'm gonna need to take this adapter piece off right here and put it on this inducer motor. Oh. Oh. I need to get the front screw in, but let's get this in position and install it. They didn't even screw this flute to the damn. Move that. Let me get this inducer in first, and then we'll worry about the damn flute. Get the screw in. see. There's 2 more screws. This is one right here. And then there should be one more somewhere else. Okay, there. Alright, so we got all the screws in. We get this inducer motor. Got this flute pipe connected. Alright, now we'll screw that in. Got the flute pipe connected, inducer motor. Let's do this tube. And then voltage. It's easy as that. Easy as ever. Put this in here. There we go. Get these over here. Alright. So we got the pressure switch. I don't really like this tube being pinched. I'm gonna move this tube. I got fiberglass all over my arm. There we go. Perfect. Now, let me just make sure. So I got the inducer motor installed. All screws. Flute pipe on. I gotta screw it real quick. Alright. We got some screws. So you screw this flute pipe in, because apparently they didn't do it. And then we'll start this heater. Alright, let's test this heater. That's more like it. That is more like it. This stuff is touching on. New inducer motor, old inducer motor. So we're running smoothly. This inducer, is it spinning so... This inducer is spinning so fast that like it looks like it's not moving. I had to question it real quick. I was like, is this thing spinning? But like, you see it, I don't know if it's on camera, but it looks like it's barely spinning. When I touch that, yeah, it's spinning. It's spinning for sure. But yep, as you can see, heater's on. No issues, so we're gonna monitor this unit for about like 10 minutes, just to make sure, you know, no hiccups or anything happen. And then we should be all set. Take some temperatures, make sure it splits good. I'm waiting for the blower motor to turn on real quick. Is it on? Oh wait, it is on. Alright, it's just quiet. Usually other blower motors are a lot louder. keep forgetting this is a smaller unit. It's only like a 2-ton unit, so you only got 2 burners, and you got a smaller motor as well. So air is moving, but it's not moving, you know, heavily. But let's go take some temperatures. So let's turn on heat. We'll put like 74. Okay, that's better. The supply I had it on was a closed supply, so that's the reason. But it's looking good. 28-degree split. Right. So since we got those temperature readings, it's looking good. Let's go ahead. Close this unit up. Call it a day. Whew. Oh man. Where'd the screw go? There you go. It's not even the same screw. Perfect. Alright, I'll catch you guys back at the truck. Alright, we got that heater fixed. We tested it for about 20 minutes. That was really good supply and return temps, and you know, they got heat now. They've been without heat for like, I think like a week, but we were waiting for approval. But if you guys are new to the channel, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, hit the notifications button. BHVAC. Catch you guys next video.